I just believe diving deeper into what is a sustainable, truly lasting solution for clients so that their investment has a return for years and years is truly installing the coaching into the company. Now, I'm still coaching when I'm on my calls with my clients as I'm coaching them through the process of setting up their applicant tracking systems and their recruiting strategies, building their training and implementing their employee development programs. We make money off of our implementation and helping build these systems for you. It's just installed as assets into your company so you own it for the life of your company. So no matter who comes and goes, the coaching's still there. So that's my thought, and that's my perspective on coaching and even consulting. There's a place for it, but there's also a time for it, and it's not long lasting. Not in my opinion. I don't believe it's worth the investment. It has its benefits, but it does have a fall off. And I feel like a long-term, sustainable, profitable investment is installing the assets into your company, not having it in a person that can move and come and go. So that's my 2 cents. Don't kill me over that, okay?